I wore out the pad on my Makita sander. What is this? A BO5010 is the number on that. But anyway, I looked online, and you can get this. This is a superior replacement pad. It's available through Amazon and Walmart, and I got this one through Walmart. It was $9.95, I think. So I'm going to try it out and see if it fits. Looks like they're both the same. Not the same manufacturer though. This one here, I repaired it once before, but the rubber was going bad, so it just came apart again. This plate also, there's an adapter, or this plate goes in there. It's not an adapter plate, but it's it goes in there like that. Well, it fits on there. Seems to hold the paper okay. I had to take this sander apart once before. This I was sanding some drywall stuff, and this switch got full of powder and quit working. Nice and smooth. Doesn't vibrate. Good deal. I'll leave a link in the try to leave a link in the description where you get those. See ya.